Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Coachmen Leprechaun 298KB, 2 slide outs, gas, Class C motorhome, king size bed in the back, prepped for washer dryer, great new floor plan. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, do me a favor, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide outs in so you can see what you do and don't have access to when you're in travel. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. Take a look with the slides in. Also, remember, give me a quick thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, that bell. The bell will give you a heads up every time I put a new camper on. Be the first one to see new colors, new options, new floor plans. So make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, starting on the inside. Nice kitchen area, side hallway to the bedroom, sofa, dinette across from each other. You do have options for theater seating, but the sofa is directly across from the TV, which is on a swivel arm, so you can see that from the bunk, from the chairs, basically from everywhere but the dinette. Kitchen area, and we'll kind of start here. Nice countertop space. You do get countertop extension, extended spray head, dual sinks. Left is a little bit larger. Tons of overhead deep storage. You do have convection microwave oven, exhaust for the range, 3 burner range. You do have LED lights on the front, a little drop down storage for your plugs and charging area. You do have lighting, underneath storage, a good spot for a trash can, pots and pans drawer. So a nice kitchen area, got an overhead skylight. The dinette does drop down and make a bed. So in this position is an L-shaped. You've got storage underneath. I'll show you a few different setups for this. It does make a U-shape. It does make a bed. It does have seat belts. So we'll take a look at that. There's the U-shaped dinette. So that slides right back in and easily slides out. There's your cushion. And then for making it into a bed, there's the back cushion down on the table as a base. Just remove the leg. You can remove that back there as well if you need a little bit more room, but a nice sleeping area. Your cup holders, your CD, DVD player. Again, the TV is on a swivel. Good storage. Your curtain that blocks off that front area. More charging area, HDMI hookups. You see the pleated shades. Staying in the living area, your jackknife sofa does have 3 seat belts in it. Refrigerator, so plenty of space there. Overhead storage, again overhead over the sofa as well. Your front area, so pretty standard, the new Ford V8. So new hands-free, a little bit new design up front. You do have a larger backup and side camera monitor. That's a touchscreen. You can do your stereo, everything from that one location. Again, charging areas. On this one, you can swivel those seats. The top does make a bunk. So I'll show you both of those. And there are both chairs swiveled. So the little yellow handle on the side, you have to pull the chairs at a 45 towards the middle, and then they spin. So obviously you can't pull out that U-shaped dinette, but you do have a nice sitting area. Again, you can see that TV when it's on a swivel, but both chairs do swivel for hanging out in the living area. There's the bunk with that safety net. Your ladder does hook right here on the front. Again, you can close off the top curtains, and there's a separate curtain for the bottom. Over top, we did the bunk exhaust fan. It does have a max air cover on the top. You do have lighting and then reading lights as well. Top bunk is a 350 pounds weight limit. Leaving the living area, we go down the side hallway. You see, as you do come in, controls for your lights, your awning, your battery disconnect all in one area. A little cubby hole for shoe storage. And we did equip this with the auto leveling, the Bigfoot auto leveling right there. You do have the child seat tether for car seat, and that will be a good location for car seat if you're traveling somebody that needs it. Little step up and nice little pantry area. You can run cords down through the bottom, your plugs. What the bed looks like folded over. We'll take a look at that down. All right, so the mattress in the down position, I didn't put the comforter on it just so you could see how thick that mattress is. Extremely comfortable. See the charging areas on both sides. You don't really notice the crease, so that's a nice feature there for king size bed in a Class C. Good overhead storage. The windows do open. Another receptacle, tons of drawers. Large wardrobe in the back. The spot in the bedroom for a TV. Another max air fan. It does have a cover on the roof as well. And then you've got storage here, but also a spot for washer dryer. So if you want to put a washer dryer in there, you can remove those shelves. A nice and easy install for that. The bathroom, a little pivoting door, plenty of room around the toilet, more access for storage. Again, window in the bathroom, little vanity. It does take a little bit of pivoting to get that door shut. Glass enclosed, large shower. So again, I'm 6'5". I am in the dome touching. So if you're over 6'5", you're not fitting in that shower. You do have lighting in the shower. A little extra countertop space. A little different pivot for that door. Hanging. So a little different setup in the bedroom on this one. But if you want a king bed, very nice feature. We'll work our way to the outside now. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the nice windshield on the front, LED lights, Leprechaun logo, Ford front grille, your side cameras, the E450 Super Duty, rain gutters. You do have awning toppers over your slide out. Slides are in right now, just makes it a little easier to demonstrate the storage bins. Your mirrors do fold in. Storage bins with the solid compartments. Onan 4000 gas generator. Another storage bin. You are equipped with the CRV Comfort Ride, so you can add air to the airbags for adjusting for weight and the comfort of the ride. We are looking at a 30 amp service. Your outside cable hookup, your water hookup. You do have a black tank flush, your hot and cold outside shower, fuel fill. You do have another storage bin here. This is probably one of the larger ones. Again, same material, protecting you from water and spills. Your sewer hookup. Another storage area. Again, solid bins. Your power cords in there. Down folding doors, so when the slides are out, you can access them easily. Factory installed ladder. We will take a look at the roof. And on the roof, your max air vent up front, TV antenna, 2 more roof vents, a low profile AC, another max air vent cover, your Wi-Fi Ranger, roof vent, and skylight. We are equipped with the backup camera, 5,000 pound tow rating on the receiver, your hot water heater and furnace in the back area. Again, another storage area. This is where you can option the outside kitchen, which we did not in this one. Electrical hookup. And for that outside kitchen, when you do the grill, you can hook to your LP. Outside TV, sound bar, full length power awning with LED lights. Again, another storage area, LP bottle, hook up for your door. You do have a screen door. And you've got a cover here for your batteries underneath the step. You are prepped for solar, so you can do a portable solar panel to keep those batteries charged. The brand new 2021 Coachmen Leprechaun 298KB.